So y'all, this is like my 36th time doing this video. I'm upset because I just want it to be good and I just keep messing it up. So we're gonna try again. Hi guys, I'm back. I wanted to do a video and I couldn't think of anything to do. And then I thought I never did the sister lock tag. So I was like, you got sister locks, you can do the tag. So here we are. I just finished my retie. I don't know what number I'm on or anything like that because I've been retightening my hair for a year now. So I lost count. I'm sorry, but I hit my 3-year mark in January. So I'm going to start with the questions. They're here, so that's what I'm looking at. When did you have your sister locks installed and how long have you had them? I had them installed January 14th and 15th, 2016. And I just said 3 years. It'll be 3 years in January. Why sister locks and not any other form of lock? Okay, first let me start by saying I love all locks. I love freeform locks. I love traditional locks, braid locks. Oh, locks, I just love locks. But personally, I was attracted to the grid on the sister locks and their size, so that's why I picked those. How long did it take you to schedule your install? I had my installation, my establishment, I had my consultation in November and I got my date for January, so 3 months. What fears did you have before getting sister locks? I didn't have any fears. I was ready. I was like, come on, can we do them today? Or like, do I have to wait? Like, I did a lot of research. Surprisingly, it wasn't a lot of YouTubers for sister locks when I first got mine. But now it's like, we did pay y'all. Hey, boys. So I did a lot of research, did a lot of reading articles and stuff. So I didn't have any fears. Name one thing you wish you knew before starting your sister locks. No, I did a lot of research, so I knew I was going to get dry scalp. I knew I was going to like it when I first got it done. I knew it was a possibility for bunching and stuff, so I just did a lot of research, and I was just expecting what I got. Did you notice any major changes in your life or people around you as a result of your sister locks? Yes, a lot of men have been attracted to my hair. It's like, okay, cool. Like, I didn't know y'all were that invested, but okay. And people assume I smoke weed now. And because I wrap my hair, people think like I'm 100% vegan and natural, which is cool, but no, I'm not. I'm still trying to get my chakras aligned. As soon as I can do that, then we can start. Like, maybe I might become somebody's doula one day. I don't know. How many locks do you have? Oh, I just have a lot of people ask me questions about my hair. That's the only other change. How many locks do you have? When I started, I had 515 to 520. They were really small around here, so I kept losing count. But we done lost some. We done combined some. So probably like 497 now, but I'm probably not going to count them again ever. What pattern do you have? I'm a 4 pattern. I don't know why that's a question, because I can be a 4 pattern, you could be a 4 pattern, and our locks still look different, but I'm a 4 pattern. How do you wear, what products do you use in your hair? This is Afghanistan. We're in Afghanistan. So, as a result, it took me a while to figure out what's going to work for my hair out here because this water is terrible. Terrible, 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 terrible. It's the kind of water like we can bathe in, but we can't drink it. So I'm just like, so how can we bathe in it? But you know, it's okay. But my hair has been thinning out here and it hasn't been growing like it was back in the States. So it took me a while, but as of right now, I use Dr. Bronner's. Is it Dr. Bronner's? Dr. Bronner's castor oil, the almond one, the green one. I use that. I pour out half a bottle of water and fill the rest up with the shampoo, shake it, and I've been using that same bottle for 3 washes now. And it seems to be doing pretty good. And I use that and Jamaican black castor oil. That's the only 2 things that I do, that I put in my hair. the almond soap, and Jamaican black castor oil. How do you wear your hair most of the time? We're in Afghanistan, so not only is the water nasty, it's extremely dusty. Extremely dusty, and for some reason my locks are dust hungry or whatever. Like they will eat all this lint and dust up. I've never had this problem in the States, but here I do. So 10 times out of 9 my hair is wrapped if I'm here, and I'm here most of the time, so it's wrapped. The only time my hair is down here is when I'm retightening it. I'll have a hat on or something like that, but that's the only time my hair is unwrapped, is when I'm doing it. How often do you retighten your hair? I retighten my hair every 6 weeks. How often do you wash your hair? I wash my hair once a week because we're here in Afghanistan, and if I don't, my scalp will start to purge itself. Like when you first get your sister locks, my scalp will do that in like a 2-week time span out here. I miss being in the States where you could be like, I used to be like every 2, 3, 4 weeks, depending on like the activity level. No, here it's every week, and it's not bad, but it's just like, girl, I miss like just chilling. Like, can I just chill? One thing you miss about loose natural hair, I don't miss loose natural hair at all. I didn't know how to maintain my loose natural hair. I barely wore it. I just went to Walmart, got it washed, put it in the beehive cornrow, and put a wig on. I did not maintain my loose natural hair at all. Don't miss it. What are your hair goals? Y'all gonna judge me, but I feel like we're friends, and I like being honest with my friends. So I wear my hair goal is to go to the beach, take a picture at the beach with my hair covering my bosom. And I don't know why, but that just that. So I guess my goal would be mid back length, but I had to tell y'all my whole picture that I'm gonna post when this happens. It's just that, like, yes, that's when I know I have arrived. Do you take supplements? Yes, again, because I'm in Afghanistan, I started taking supplements, so I guess it can cancel each other out because my hair is starting to thin and all this other stuff. So I take the Sugar Bear hair, the blue gummies, because Instagram kept making them pop up and everybody kept saying they were so good, so I had to try them. They are really good. It's creepy how flavorful they are. But if you guys want me to do a review on that, I can. But yeah. How long is your longest lock? Let me show y'all my hair. Oof. My longest lock, my shoulder. Where my little soldier at? This is Bay. She is my longest lock, and she is 11 inches. So yeah, ooh, she look long on camera, y'all. Ooh. Well, the rest of my hair catch right here. Ooh. So yeah, that's my longest lock. Of course, I always have on a black shirt when I record a video because life. What major thing you like about Sisterlocks? Like everyone else has said that Sisterlocks is a hairstyle when it's not a hairstyle. I can wear my hair like this and it'll be fine. That's what I love about Sisterlocks. My dislike is self-retightening. The only reason why I started self-retightening is because I knew I was coming to Afghanistan, and I was like, this was an investment, boo. We gotta figure something out. So that's why I started self-retightening, and that's the only reason why I do it. And I love my boyfriend to death. I miss him dearly. I can't wait to see him, but I also cannot wait for him to help me start doing my hair again because I'm tired. Lord knows I'm tired. It took me 6 days to do my retie this time, which is good because I was hitting like a 2-week mark with it because I was just not interested. But yeah, I just can't wait to get help again because I'm tired. And like, my hair not even long, y'all. Like, I was just like, I gotta do this for the rest of my life. Like, as soon as I get back to the States, somebody got to do it because I'm over it. If you could start your journey over again, what would you do differently? If I could start over again, I would have got them at 12. I would know. When my mom was like, hey, at 9 years old, my mom was like, hey, we're going to get you this relaxer because this is the move because you're tender-headed. I wish I could have been like, no, Mom, let's do the sister lock thing. Let's see what this journey is about. That's the only thing I would have done sooner. Or if I could start over, I would have done them sooner. Because this, if I would have had these sooner, like, that's my only regret, is not doing it sooner. Do you have any sister lock crushes? I do. Everyone that I'm subscribed to on YouTube. I love you all. I love you all's hair. Of course, everyone loves Let's Journey. Chrissy, hey boo. Rich Roots. I watch her videos all the time. She be posting, don't she? She be posting. She be posting. Natural Curls by PW. Love and Logs. Like, it's a lot of y'all, and I'm sorry I'm not saying everybody's name, but if I'm following you on YouTube, you're my inspiration. So that's all the questions. I guess I can take my hair down for y'all so y'all can see this length. As Brittany would say, she's also an inspiration. Length with an F. Girl, yes. But yes, we're getting there. I have an undercut too, so my hair, I don't like wearing it down because it looks so empty back here, but that's because my undercut. But yes, this is she. She is me. I am she. She is me. But yeah, we just finished. I'd be so happy when I be finishing my retage, y'all. Cause
it's 7 o'clock.
It's 7 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, y'all. I'm back on the MacBook. I know the thumbnail said new camera. I was using my GoPro, but again, I was just like, just go back to what you know, boo. Just go back to what you know. So, we're here. This is my hair. It's like, what was it? What was it? Yeah, so we're getting there still. There's a ways to go, though. Thank you for watching my YouTube video. I will see you guys in the next one.